So that's what it is right here. Once again, on this radio station, it's great to be here. You just heard one of the tapes that we have done since last weekend. One of the things that I've been doing is, I like running the tape so that people can hear what it is that we did the previous week, but we always come live. All right. That's what we do. I am David Squeezaniki, and you just heard from Adam Handler and yours truly earlier speaking on so many different areas when it comes to personal injury. And ladies and gentlemen, I want everybody to stop their cars. If you're driving on the highway, pull over, okay? If you're out there at work, stop what you're doing. If you're going to work, stop what you're doing. I am here with Adam Handler. Adam, how you doing, man? Because I really want to seriously talk to you this morning, man. We're all about being live. You pulled me out of retirement, and we are here right now. What's happening, my personal injury attorney?
Good morning. Happy Hump Day, Wednesday. A week and a half into the Cruising with the Case Handler with Squeeze project. Listen, man, we're off to a great start. The calls have been coming in, and it's not necessarily just people calling with cases. It's people calling and saving the number as one of their important numbers. In fact, somebody just told me yesterday that they called us and we weren't sure who it was, so we called them back and they said they're saving the number. And I said, save it as attorney Adam Handler. And right. You know what he said he did? He said he saved it as Case Handler ICE, which is in case of emergency. When you save your emergency contacts in your phone, like your mother, your wife, your husband, your kids, ICE, because if God forbid he's ever in an emergency, he wants to be able to have that number ready. Also, a woman called me saying that she was calling to save the number and texted it to her daughter who's in upstate New York and keeping it in her emergency contacts for if she ever had any issue whatsoever, whether it was a personal injury issue or any issue whatsoever, to be able to give me a call, because she knows that if I can't handle it, I would certainly point her into the right direction. So we're getting a great response, and that's what this whole thing is. It's not about just us talking on the radio saying, how great we are and what the results we're getting are. It's more about getting the information out to how people can have access to a really good attorney that cares if, God forbid, they're ever in that situation where they don't know where else to turn.
But Adam, let me just say one thing, man. You're talking about being on the radio and talking and all of that. Let me just tell everybody something. And let me just give out the number first. And I want everybody, dial the number for this attorney. We are live right now on the radio. It's Hump Day, like he said. I want every single person tuning into the radio station to dial the number and save it. The number is 844. By the way, this is the number for the attorney. You all need a number for a solid attorney. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Now let me be the ass I can be, man. Let me be the man I know I can be. Let me be the one I can be. Adam.
Here we go. Drum roll, please.
Let me just say something. This is not about, ladies and gentlemen, selecting an attorney that you just hear on the radio. I'm telling you that. It's not. It really genuinely is not. And I want everybody to turn up your radios and really listen to me. I mean, you all know I can be hyped. You all know I got the biggest mouth on this radio station. You all know all of that about me. But let's take all of that out of it. But Adam Handler has been on this radio station for over 15 years. 15 years. He has sought millions of dollars, over $100 million for a lot of people out there. All right. Over $1 million for a lot of people out there. 1 second there, Adam. One second, okay? Millions of dollars for a lot of people out there, okay? And by the way, when your kid calls, you better answer. So that's what I just did.
Always, baby, always. Yeah. Kids first.
Especially if it's your daughter.
Kids and wife first.
Yeah, you answer the phone if it's your daughter. You're like, oh, what? Everything is on hold. Yeah. But I'm saying this, ladies and gentlemen. I'm saying this, people in New Jersey, people in New York. Don't you want to work with a man who has sought and gotten millions of dollars for people out there? Is that okay? Are you okay, Adam?
I'm good. My thing fell, but you know what? We're gonna wing it right now. So we are. Listen, this is live radio. Facebook went black, but I am here.
All right. I just want to make sure you are okay.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm good. The thing fell off. You know, I was actually waiting for. I'm like, definitely this holder is gonna fall off one day. It happens. Okay, here we go.
Well,
Keep
don't
going.
worry. I got the video pinned on me. But
That is funny.
so, but ladies and gentlemen, don't you want to have an attorney that has, sought and gotten millions of dollars for people out there? Someone that you don't just hear on the radio, someone that has proven themselves. Why do you think I'm so happy that Adam is here on the radio every day? Why do you think I am happy that he brings the true success stories on the radio? These are real life people that he got, believe it or not, millions of dollars for. All right. He got millions of dollars for the people. Not seriously. Let me talk about it. 15 years. Have you heard anyone else on the radio who brought testimonials that they have actually done work with? Have you heard that? Do you hear that anywhere else on this radio station? No, you don't. You want to know why? And I'm talking about people who have been listening to Adam Handler for years, got into an accident, a slip and fall, a medical malpractice, okay, a construction accident, and they came to Adam or they went to Adam and they got millions of dollars and now they're doing a true success. Have you heard that anywhere else on this radio station? You haven't. So what I'm simply saying here, ladies and gentlemen, I have a saying, and this saying, I have used it all my life. Choose your weapons carefully. Choose your weapons carefully. I want an attorney that I know will genuinely fight for me tooth and nail. I want an attorney that will treat me like family. That's what I want. And I know what this man is capable of. And I can speak this because he has been not only on my program, but he has been on other radio programs, okay? And him and I were still friends. And I'm saying, Adam, I love what you're doing. I have actually called, I've sent him cases and he was not on my radar. I'm like, Adam, yo, you got to call this person, man. They need help. I have sent Adam cases prior to him and I be back on the radio together. That's how good a person is. When a person is that good, that's what you do. You stick with that. You make sure that your people are being taken care of. And that's what I'm all about. So once again, automobile accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice, ladies and gentlemen, construction accidents, you name it. You get hurt in an accident, just call the number, all right? That's what needs to happen. You call the number. So ladies and gentlemen, I want for you to call the number right now that I'm about to give out and dial it, let it ring for 10, 15 seconds, and then you store it. I'm gonna ask Adam, I'm gonna beg him to give out a testimony, okay, of someone that he has helped and what they have received. But let me give out the number 5 times. I said it. And once again, I need for you all, dial the number, let it ring, and then store it. All right? The number, ladies and gentlemen, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. As Adam turns his camera around so he's aligned with me. 844-774-3529. Now, right now, I'm not going to stop giving out the number until I know that you love Adam. If you are out there and you love what it is that he has done for people, helping a lot of, especially immigrants. If you're an immigrant right now, store the number. He has helped a lot of people out there who did not know that being out of status and getting into a personal injury, you still can seek millions of dollars. You can still get the maximum compensation. I want every single one of you. If you love this attorney, forget about me. Forget about Squeeze. No, Squeeze is no biggie. He's just a big mouth guy on the radio. I want for you to store the number for a good attorney. And that is Adam Handler, the case handler, cruising with the case handler. So right now, he's looking at his phone to see how many people are calling him. How many people really know about this attorney? Here's the number, 844-774-3529. Stop what you're doing, dial the number, let it ring for 10, 15 seconds, and he will know. He's personally checking his phone to see if you're calling him. 844-774-3529. Two more times, and then I'll let him speak. 844-774-3529. Every single one of us need to store that number. Pass it on to your friend, your family, your foes. Make sure you have that number for the attorney, the case handler, because you don't know if and when you are going to get hurt, or your family member, or your friend, or your foes. 844-774-3529. Dial it now, and Adam will check in with you. Adam, talk to me. Testimonial, man. I need a testimony right now, man. You're in the car, okay? What's the testimony? Talk to me.
Deserve it. So listen, we post Testimonial Tuesday. Anybody out there that can be on Instagram or Facebook checking out Case Handler can see every Tuesday we post a true life success story. And the last one we had was yesterday. That was my guy Jesus, and he's holding a big check. What was that for? 300 and I think it's $325,000. This is a New Jersey accident. Of course, I'm licensed in New Jersey and New York. This is a New Jersey accident that came referred to me by a doctor friend of mine who treated this gentleman's eyes, and he knows about me, and he says, listen, if you want a good lawyer, call this guy. He was crossing the street, not in the crosswalk, and he was hit by a car. Now, the way the police wrote this up, the way a witness saw it, and he gave a statement to the police, they blamed my client for the accident, saying he just walked right out into the road. Now, we all know that pedestrians are supposed to cross at a crosswalk. I mean, that is what they're there for. But a lot of times they're not practical. The crosswalk can be a quarter mile down the road. You're not going to walk a quarter mile down the road to cross in the crosswalk to walk a quarter mile back. So he crossed. He thought it was safe to cross. And as he was mid-block, he got hit by a car. So listen, you can't say it's 100% on the car, but you know what? The injuries were very severe. He spent a considerable amount of time with doctors getting treated. We made sure every single medical bill was paid, which was in hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then on top of that, got him compensation of $325,000 for what he went through. So a very difficult case, a case that the insurance company initially wanted to deny entirely, saying they're not paying this guy a dime. But we were able to establish through the evidence about how long the block was, how many seconds the driver should have been able to see this guy before he hit him. And that's how we were able to win the big money for this guy. So a very difficult case with an excellent result. And can you read, do you have that up right now, Squeeze? Because he did say something wonderful. We don't just post a picture with the client. We don't just post the settlement numbers. Sometimes, you know, they like to give a statement or a quote. Is it written there? Because my wife actually said, Stacy said that the guy said something really nice. Can you read that?
I'm looking it up right now.
All right, on the Testimonial Tuesday for Jesus.
Jesus. And people, that's what I'm talking about, you know. And a lot of people, I'm listening to Adam and I'm saying, you know what? That's what really matters. What really matters is that you want someone who's actually going to go the distance, you know. Okay, it's not the one with you and Matthew, right?
No. Nope. It's the last one on Facebook, or Instagram.
Oh! It's $325,000.
There you go.
$325,000, lady.
Tax-free money.
Huh?
Tax-free.
Tax-free.
But his quote is supposedly he gave a really nice quote.
I am proud to know Adam Handler. He treated me good and never neglected me. I pray Adam has a long life to continue helping others. Adam is one of the best attorneys I have come to know. I am going to him the next time I have an accident. Just kidding. I'll try not getting injured again. Jesus. All right. So, dude, this is what I'm talking about, man. You know, this is really, really awesome right here, man. This is awesome. All right. Hold on one second. I don't know if you know this, but
Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
It is. It is pretty cool. I just brought it up on the screen so people can see that I'm not joking around. I just brought that picture up on the screen so people are actually seeing the picture of you and Jesus right now. The big check, the case handler check. There's a check, ladies and gentlemen. If you're watching Facebook right now and you got to go to the case handler page, all right? You will see that big fat check, okay? That says the case handler, and then it's made payable to Jesus is for $325,000. And that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. All right? You need a guy like Adam Handler. People say, Squeeze, you yell and scream on the radio. I yell and scream on the radio because I don't want you going to some Joe Schmo around the block who just got, you know, who you have never heard before, you know, or anything about, you know. I want for you to go with a guy, whether or not he was with Squeeze or another radio program or elsewhere. I want for you to go with a guy that's got depth, got experience. He knows how to get you your money. I mean, come on. Who else on the radio understands more about the immigrant community than Adam Handler? Who else? No one else. No one else on the radio knows more about the immigrant community as a personal injury attorney than Adam Handler. I would pay any of you. I'll pay any of you $325,000 if you find someone else on the radio that knows as much about the immigrant community as a personal injury attorney like Adam Handler. But we don't even have to go there. We know no one. He came up through the ranks. He came up through the ranks. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'll stop sharing this big check right now. All right? Because people are going to say, Sweet, so what are they going to cut us a check? No, Adam Handler is the one that will cut you the check when you get hurt in an accident. All right? So right now, let's just give out that number. The number is 844-774. I love this thing, man. You can show the checks and everything. 844-774-3529. Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting off the radio right now, but we want to make sure that every single person that is tuning in store the number. All right? 844-774-3529. By the way, folks, call Adam right now and ask and tell him how he sounds. Seriously, I want every one of you, call the attorney. He's getting off the radio right now. He's getting off of Facebook right now. He wants to hear from you. Tell him how he sounds, okay? Tell him, does he sound like he's speaking from the heart? He wants to hear from you. The number, once again, ladies and gentlemen, is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. He's waiting for your call. And tell him, hey, Adam, I'm very happy that you and Squeeze are doing this, man, again, all right? Call him, 844, he's gonna answer the phone right now. In 60 seconds, he's answering the phone, 844-774-3529. Everyone needs a good personal injury attorney, and that happens to be Adam Handler. I don't know about you, but he's the one I want fighting for me with the insurance company, fighting for me in court. That's the one I want when it comes to my personal injury. Not that I'm going to go out and get hit by a bus or a truck or step off a curb and get slammed or fall down or whatever, but things do happen. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Adam, final words?
Thank you for the platform, man. I can't say it enough, and I'll continue to say it. Your endorsement means the world to me. It's your reputation, and I will not let you down. I won't let anybody down, especially the people that trust me with their one and only shot at justice. So thank you for that.
And by the way, folks, he's right. Only one shot. Okay? Only one shot. That's all you've got. 844, which rapper said that? 844-774-3529. Which rapper said that?
Eminem.
Eminem, you know it. All right. One shot, that's all we've got. 844-774-3529. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we must remind you that, of course, this is an attorney advertisement brought to you by Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico. Adam says he wants to speak with every single one of you. You may have some questions about an accident that took place months back, a year ago. Any question that you have on personal injury, or maybe you have a general question for him, he would love to speak with you right now. He says he's got about 3 minutes to speak with every single one of you. Call him quickly before the lines are flooded. Call him right now, 844-774-3529. 3529. That's 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. We must remind that our prior results, okay, does not provide similar outcome, and this has been an attorney advertisement. Adam?
Thank you, brother. I can't believe the words. I really
Blessings.
appreciate it.
Gratitude.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. We'll talk soon.
Respect.
Respect, it is. All right, there you go, folks. Adam Handler, right here on, of course, this beautiful radio station, and also on Facebook. Follow him on the Instagram platform, Case Handler, and also Facebook, Case Handler, and yours truly, David Squeezaniki. We'll catch up and speak again soon, man.